Hello, I'm Michael Graves with the Michael Graves team at Compass. Welcome to the Penthouse at 169 Hudson Street in the heart of Tribeca. This palatial loft features a wide open floor plan with multiple entertaining spaces inside and out. Original details blend with a modern, chic renovation. A renovation that takes full advantage of the high ceilings and natural light. It's downtown living at its best. Let's take a look. As soon as you step off the private Keaton elevator, you're greeted by a massive living, dining, and kitchen area with southern and eastern exposures. Can't you imagine entertaining here? Invite everyone, there's enough space. There's even a wood-burning fireplace to set the mood. We're talking party of the year. You'll notice exposed brick, natural stone, and mahogany wood throughout. This elevates the character of the design and makes the home feel so unique. Trust me, your guests are going to remember it long after they leave. When you come home from the farmer's market, this right here is the kitchen you want to cook in. It's got everything. Natural light, tons of space, modern stainless steel appliances, and dramatic custom mahogany cabinetry. And this center island is so large, it needs its own zip code. Speaking of big, you can get lost in this butler's pantry. But there's no time to get lost because there's so much more to see. Let's head upstairs. There are 4 bedrooms here, including this principal suite. And how sweet it is. It features this handsome home office / library, this spa-like bath with steam shower and sauna, and a walk-in closet worthy of New York Fashion Week. And I didn't even mention the serene bedroom itself. Listen, pin drop quiet. After all, style speaks for itself. This is the Terrace Lounge, and it's paradise in the city. When you open up these floor-to-ceiling French doors and feel the breeze off the Hudson, you know you've arrived. And I haven't even shown you the best part. Follow me. It's rare to have this much outdoor space in Tribeca. We're talking cocktails, barbecue, al fresco dining, you name it. The possibilities out here are endless, but what I love most is just how private it feels. But the real rarity, though, is the Infinity Edge pool. Yes, I said pool. What more can you ask for? I told you, this home is special. Well, that's it. But I hope you enjoyed checking out this one-of-a-kind Tribeca penthouse loft filled with chic design and timeless luxury. Thank you for coming.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.